Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Tuesday, September 26th. Time is around 5:10 GMT. And we will have a look at the FTSE futures on the Wanda platform. So here we are looking at the 4-hour chart, and my take on the FTSE is that we are doing a corrective move uh, down. I believe we are currently working here on this wave Y, and this wave Y is now unfolding as a correction to the upside, being at WXY pattern or an ABC pattern. So actually, I still favor, although we had a nice reaction to the downside yesterday, I still favor the ABC structure instead of the WXY structure. So the ABC structure here goes in 5 waves: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which means that the fifth leg to the upside is still missing and coming. The WXY pattern would mean that our wave W is or was finished here, and that we are now heading towards the wave X area. So if we take the length of the wave W, then here the area between the zero point 0.5 and the 0.854 FIB retracement is the area from where we can expect to go if the wave W was finished here. The reason that I think that we might see this fifth wave is it looks like the other indices will do a push higher and or a corrective move up. Actually, like they are still going down, but they might do a corrective move up. And so then this could mean for the FTSE that we do this fifth wave up here, while the other indices are doing a corrective move up. The FTSE can do this fifth wave up. However, like there's also a scenario in the DAX that we might do an extended wave C to the downside, and then that would mean for the FTSE that the WXY scenario is playing out, and that we are going into this area here. Now, for like from a trading perspective or from an entry perspective, like if you are not short from here and if you did not protect your trade yet, like it's too late to enter here, in my opinion. So if you're not in a position yet, you have to wait, or you have to anticipate on the fifth wave up. There's not really another way to do this, I think, unless today, like if you really go to the lower time frame and like the 1 minute, and you can find an entry there and immediately protect your position and see if it plays out. This might be a possibility, but else I would, if you want to short this, I would wait for the fifth leg. If it comes, to take the short there. If it does not come, then I believe the next opportunity might be here then for a long, but we need more data for this. Like I want to see which kind of corrective structure we are getting here. So we are actually still on track for the 5 waves up. Like although we had a push down yesterday, like this can all be completely normal. Like if we take the length of our wave 3, then we know that a wave 4 should go here into the area between the 0.146 and the 0.618 area. So actually, so this is the area for a wave 4. So we are actually still nicely in this area. What we did is we just we touched the 0.382 FIP retracement level, which is very normal for a wave 4. Also here we are breaking this at a side trend line, but this is also normal for a wave 4. What should happen next is that we see like upside as a fifth wave, and that we end with divergence. Then we have a textbook impulse, I would say. And then if we look at the 1 hour here, like suppose that this is our wave 4, but it looks like okay. So first of all, suppose that this is the wave 4, like then this can be an ABC correction. So if we take here the length of our wave A, the length of our wave B, then we should have reaction here in the area between the 1 and the 1.618 FIP extension. So this also looks still normal for the 5 wave scenario, for the impulse scenario, the wave A scenario. However, here, like this looks, if we go to the 15 minutes, yeah, it can be enough, like, but then it looks like the wave 3 is the shortest one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So could be that we have another low here, so that it is like 1, 2. That this is the 3 here. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Yeah, can be finished. We can have another low here as a wave C. That's a bit hard to say, but yeah, just do not assume, because of the move down yesterday, that that you can just jump in here and that you will see more downside. Like I think this is not a good entry point. Like I think if you're not short yet, you have to wait for a fifth wave up here, like the impulse playing out. Then this might be a short. And and then if this does not happen, if we have WXY structure instead as an ABC 3 waves instead, then the next opportunity to trade the FTSE will be in this area. But for that we need more data. I would like to see what is unfolding here as structure. Okay, that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work, and I see you tomorrow for another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.